You got it, Colton. Welcome back. I think I might have crashed the internet too much hardcore charting. Starting to wonder if it's all my charts that are fucking crashing it. Hey, Bowie, sent you an email last night, by the way. Oh my goodness. What the fuck? You guys are good? You guys hear me? Alright. Sheesh. Okay, we're safe for now. I feel like it's something I'm doing, but I don't know. Trying to figure it out later. Thought we were all good. We were live all day yesterday, no issues. It might be so much shit going on with my charts, with the chat and everything. I'm not sure. Alright, let me double check it. Give it another minute. People are tuning in. Thanks everyone. Sorry for the inconvenience. It's more annoying for me than it is for you. Yeah, some people are having lag today, others aren't. Oh, what's going on? Hey, Sauce Boy. I see what they mean. Welcome back. Welcome back. Gosh darn, what a pain in the butt. Sorry friends, we lost our whole audience. Trust me, it's more frustrating for me than it is for you. We literally just lost our whole audience. Great. So, this is the real deal. I'm here for you. I'm back to business, no matter who shows up. Alright, not gonna let a little tech issue stop us. It's odd because we were all smooth yesterday the entire day long. It was all good for 4 hours. No issues. Just all of a sudden. Right, aren't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, for sure. Oh, he's that strong with me. So, I'm back to summarize. I want to make sure everyone's on track for the rest of the day. Tomorrow. It could have been because I had so much shit open. I had like 20 charts open, my music going, streaming, 2 live chat. It could be the I'm not sure. We're just gonna have to keep experimenting with it. Hopefully by the end of the week we'll all be smoothing out. I'm trying to fix that so we don't crash every day. And now the party continues. Yeah, so AMC correction. Yeah, if it cuts out again, that's gonna be the end for the day. Not by choice. We'll try and get a sneak in 30 minutes or an hour here if we can. There we go, left my coffee right there too. Alright, we still good? Disconnect? Yeah, we can start touching on crypto now because essentially is them. We probably need a whole hour just to summarize this stuff. Sally. Yeah, you did kind of miss that TKAT one, but we'll find others. Again, TKAT's riding up the crypto pump right now, the hype cycle, but there's still other altcoins literally that are just as nice in their own right. You're looking for some Sphere 3D targets, Josh? Oh, okay, you're gonna be entering around here? Yeah, I mean, it's close enough because the buy box is around 377. What the heck? See, some people are saying their video's stuck buffering. They got disconnected from the chat and stuff. Double check on my phone again. I'm live on my phone. Yeah, some people are having to leave and come back and fucking up all the view count. Anyway, we're just gonna do our best for now. Ignore it for now. So the dip at 377, well, breakout essentially, that was your buy box. Right? It's the hedgies, I know it. Five done pillar strikes again. So you didn't get that perfect entry on the dip. That's okay. It's not that far. You're talking about entering ANY around $4, pretty close from that green buy box. It hasn't blasted off yet. If it was way up at $5, I would say forget it. But yeah, if you're entering here, that's your first target area, is that $5 psychological number. Just underneath it, the fib, Fibonacci, $4.80. No, I don't think it'll go back down. It's been consolidating very bullishly here. It's actually a breakout of this yellow resistance. Right here, it already broke out of the downtrend. It's right on track. I'm not expecting it to go down from here back to the green box. It'll only do that if the dollar goes straight up. If the dollar is pumping, it might dip like that. SPY is shaky as fuck. All of these have the possibility of going down further if the dollar goes up. Yeah, Dolly Parton joining us on Discord. Yeah, I'm just really not sure if the disconnect is on my end because we're on Twitch and because I have so many charts, whatever, if it's just YouTube doing things. OCG. What is OCG? Oriental Culture Holdings Limited. Well, TKAT pop. TKAT's kind of involved in the China cycle. This is a Chinese thing. That resistance, though. 2 lines done. Yeah, Greg. That's right. I'm talking about Sphere 3D being a reasonable entry, because your entry, you had a sick entry on Sphere 3D dipping down here right in the middle of the green box. If anyone remembers that, it was right in the middle of our green box. That was your real entry on Sphere 3D. Sorry, popped from there. You missed the dip. It's not too far away from the bull box. It hasn't gone too far yet to not enter it. If it was up $5 already, I'd say forget it, but around 4 you still do have an entry, because that still puts you up for very nice targets. 80% at $7 area, the gold box, 80 to 100%. The first target. Next, 300+%, $17. What really confuses me about it, now I'm a computer scientist, so I know tech things like that. Yeah, I'm playing video games on the other screen. I understand the ins and outs of tech issues like that, and it's very odd that it runs smooth for 4.5 hours and then it cuts out, then it disconnects. That's what I'm having trouble figuring out. Yeah, Fuendo, you may be right. So I'm thinking I may have had too many charts pulled up. So yeah, ANY is still a nice accumulation there for later, for a hold, for a swing trade. Long-term uptrend. We're bullish on it short-term, mid-term, long-term. Yeah, I think it is temporary. We should be all good by next week, and if we're not, I might have to cut the Twitch stream. I don't know. We're gonna solve it somehow. Just appreciate your patience. It did happen to us in the AMC days before. I remember months ago that happened a couple times randomly, and then it never happened again. The disconnects. I remember one day AMC was pumping and we were all upset because like the hedgies are trying to shut down the show. People asking about time frames on metamaterial. Well, that's where it gets tricky. If you're trying to time it on metamaterials, that's where it really timing the pump is a whole nother story than just is it gonna go up or down. Scallywag, yeah, just some shares I think is your best bet. You probably don't want to be all in for contracts for Friday on metamaterial. That doesn't make sense. It might take longer, a couple more days to get above 4, get above 5. Nice, Foo Angel. Pirate lunch throwing out the treasure maps. I'll show you the way. Right, super neat name. All the children's back at school are overloading YouTube, probably. Maybe Robert, but it doesn't seem to be a hardware issue. It seems to be the internet. It's like the internet cuts out for a second and then the stream disconnects. Something like that. I'll look into it more. Dr. Scally goes, my life is overloaded because my kids started back school. Hey, doesn't that mean you have more free time perhaps? While they're gone all day? I'm gonna ask you about that later, Fuendo, if you have ideas about that. I'm very busy today. I might not even be able to fix it today. It's just forget about it for now. See what happens tomorrow. Back to charts. These are time wisely. when you're trying to time metamaterials, that's where it really gets tricky, because it could come up here today and then tomorrow go down, chop around, next week break out again, go up again next week. I don't know the time on this. The important part, well, you have your key timing right here. All you need to know is it's just starting to break out right now. So the timing's nice. It's good timing to be getting in. But who knows when exactly it's going to hit those targets. Here's the cool part. If somebody got in on the dip, which definitely there was some entries down there, they don't care how long it's gonna take. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to realize today. Like, if you got the nice entry, you're already up nearly 30%. You don't care what it does tomorrow. You don't care if it goes a little higher today or not. You're just sitting nice and comfy, riding it up. So really, that's the power of getting those nice entries. You're just chilling now. You don't care if it goes next week, next month, because you're already up a lot. Hopefully it just essentially trends onwards and upwards every day for the most part. Alright, so that one's, yeah, it's just getting hot early. Not even too far at all. The real Aussie stuck about YVR Liquid Media Group. For good reason. I see it doing things already. Oh man, YVR. Here you go. That's how I came back for the YVR holders. It's looking to pop. It's getting closer and closer. Could have closed the day around $2 there. I have an alert on it actually. Now this one, we really see that breakout on YVR over $2. This is probably go faster than even metamaterials. Look how fast this thing moves when it gets cooking. On YVR, that's what we're waiting for. Alright. Nice quick 300+% pump on it. We want to see that again here. Could take no time at all, and that's 300% higher next week. We're getting closer and closer to something big like that. Yeah, very nice green on the HT from that dip too, so it's like, yeah, you could enter HT here, but ideally you would have entered it on the dip and you're already up over 20% on your HT. So you don't even care if it goes higher tomorrow. Hope that makes sense.
Ahoy, Captain, can you check in our dice roll says?
Yeah. Thanks, River. River Ninja. What's that cool name? Oh, no, Liz. That's not Session. That's Sensonics. SESN. Oh, 105. So it's up a couple more pennies on the day, which doesn't sound like much, but it's a real important area at this $1 spot. I want you to be aware of that. That's all about this $1 area. Every penny higher is gonna be good. We're just trying to start an uptrend rather than a downtrend back here. Of course, the resistance is gonna be these red lines, 117. So give it some time. Let's see tomorrow. I want to know tomorrow, is SESN above 115? Let's see if we can get up here by the end of the day by tomorrow. That would put it on track for something real nice. You see it push back up to that red resistance area. That's what we're looking for here. It's already broken out from the downtrend. So technically it's not in a downtrend anymore. It's actually in an uptrend like this. It is actually in an uptrend right now. Those green lines. So you're just waiting for it to get over 115 area. And it's looking like it may do that. So I wouldn't give up on it yet. As long as it's above $1, it's all set. Just taking some time to do its thing. It's obviously it's not like a popular Wall Street deck kind of chart. So there's only so much attention on it. This kind of is like proof that the markets are fucked specky. That's kind of true. This shows you how sketchy the markets are. This is the risk with new monies. Be careful what you're going long on. You see stuff like this. We're only interested in it after that happened. It gives you a nice trading setup. After the fact, it would have been awful to be holding that and then it dropped that much. So it's still on track here with the purple box. Don't give up on it just yet. Only get worried about if it starts trending under $1. That'll look more sketch. Because it already stop hunted, it already bear trapped under $1. So we don't want to see a bear trap under $1 again. That would mean it's probably not a bear trap, and it's actually trying to go lower. Until it does that, it looks fine. Remember the indicators too are ridiculous. Here's your RSI, it's really curving up now. It can pop by the end of the day here, and then the MACD is just ridiculous. Look at this MACD, man. On the 2 hour. Talk about bullish momentum, bullish velocity. Just stayed green the whole time ever after that dip. There's nothing bearish about this. Just trying to go up over time. Continue to green. 4 hour. See, the 4 hour is not had a bullish crossover yet. We're pretty much on session. We're waiting for this 4 hour crossover turn green. Then long-term holders will step up to the plate, make their entries when that turns green. Yeah, we're keeping up with water for sure. In a bounce from our green box, our buy box. Beautiful. We like water. It's going for a gold breakout. It's going for a breakout from the gold breakout box. It's almost $2. It's $1.97. Gold breakout box $2.20. It doesn't have that far to go, and then it'll be cruising. It starts holding over $2, $2.20. Oh man, it's on for water. Breakout, retest, kind of like CVM. CVM breaking out, retest the box. Today we saw CVM go higher. Any day, it's kind of like any better. Stay calm, hold strong on water. Oh, no way, Corey, dude. Good. Best of luck with that. That's exciting. Let's get some 7s for Corey in the chat. Just gonna be having his daughter born this week. Shout out to you and your significant other, bro. Best of luck with that. That's gonna be a lot. See, that sounds hard to the captain. Charting's easy compared to having a child. Good luck with that, man. I can't help you there. I hope you can sneak in a little of the captain in your off time. Yeah, Becky's a great name. Wow, man, that's wild. So, not to like be weird about it, but she must have been conceived around when we started the show during that AMC trade, man. That's so funny. Like 9 months ago, right when we were starting our AMC trade. It's been a long journey. Whole new life was born while we were holding AMC. There's a lot more going on than just the AMC chart. I think I want to summarize it at the end though. It's not really worth talking about it right here. So yeah, the middle of the spot. Middle of the space. Middle of the cosmos. Question mark box. Yeah, it is bouncing here for now. I still don't like the look of this trend line. It better get above that trend line or else it's still looking in trouble. So there's not really any reason to stare at it, just waiting for something to happen here. We don't have enough time for that. We'll have like 30 more minutes. By the way, the dollar was rolling over a little bit. So we're still on track for a pretty explosive power hour. You'd name your daughter Denwo. How about Denwo? And the A on the end. Yeah, come on up. You'd be like, chart this Denwo to your kid. Hey, maybe maybe if you're raising a kid, you can just raise him to be a chart boss and can be your little secret weapon in 20 years. Maybe there'll be a savant on the charts if they start young. Yeah, so basically dollar overall has been flat here all day, so that's why we're seeing pretty mixed bag of some things are popping, some are kind of dropping, some are it's because of all this right here on the dollar. It hasn't really done anything significant all day. But it could lead to some more upside action on our charts later in the day if it continues down here. Once it's down here, if it does go all the way to this gold box, we're gonna have to be careful when it does go down there. That's where it'll look more iffy. Poor Boingberry taking a hit. Not so much, man. I wouldn't say poor Boingberry here, because these berries are getting juicy. There's nothing poor about, nothing weak. I mean, in terms of like the strength and the weakness here, this is not weak at all. This is not poor Blackberry taking a beating today. Not like that. This is okay. Blackberry broke out, hit a target for day traders, came back down to support right on our bull box. Nothing bad about this at all. That's looking to go up from here. It may be waiting. People may be waiting to double check how the dollar is behaving here before they enter BlackBerry, whatnot. But it's looking as strong as it could really be here. We're painting some kind of a Denwo breakout pattern on it. That's why I came back. I don't want anyone to panic about BlackBerry on a small dip. Look at this Denwo breakout pattern starting to go. Give it another day. Let's see where it goes tomorrow. I would hold BlackBerry for tomorrow still. Usually these patterns take till later in the day, till tomorrow. That's okay. I'm sure you can handle waiting one more day. Sure, Becky, 1 second. We had a bunch of questions about the TKAT trade still. Okay, so we're at our target. I mean, it's clear. It makes sense to have some people selling TKAT here. Who would sell TKAT here? Somebody who just doubled their money in one morning would sell their TKAT here. Day traders sell their TKAT here. Swing traders ain't selling here. I play both hats. I wear both hats. I'm the swing trader who day trades from time to time. I won the day trade on it. Now I'm turning it to a swing. I'm not ready to take profits on it. I'm going for bigger targets later on. So you only really have day traders locking in green right there. That's why it's stopping up on that line. It's not that that's a major resistance. It doesn't mean, oh no, it's gonna get hard rejected from there. You just have some selling pressure up there. It's really maintaining quite a lot of green. It's still up 60%. It's hardly dipped at all, so what's there to worry about? God damn, I wish I was gonna be live all day for this TKAT trade. You know I wanna stay. You know I wanna stay the rest of the day. Watch TKAT. Fuck. Should be in good shape though. I helped you. I held your hand to get 60% profits on it today. You should be all set. I don't think anyone's too worried about it. But that's why I'm here. Spartan Fitness. He's asking too late to get into TKAT. Kinda, bro. Arg. It's getting too late. It's starting to get too late. You're paying 150% more than we did yesterday. It was getting stupid, but anything below this line is the $10 area is starting to get stupid. How far it's going, how fast to make a new entry up here, but our long-term entries under 10. It's at 1150, so you're getting in kinda close to that entry, but it's not gonna be the same kind of profits. That's the issue. It's not a problem that, oh nice, you made a bunch off it, you're just trying to get back in. It's not a problem that you can try and go for a trade out of it from entering down here. But when you're talking about those huge targets, it's going to be way different. So let's say TKAT goes up to this blue line from right here right now. That's 500%, which is very nice. But that's not really the trade here because people who got in under 5. that same target is 1,400. It's a lot more profits on that low entry to those targets than it is entering here at 1150. It can go way up there and you get 400%, but we're trying to get 10x from this thing. We're trying to get over 1,000% out of the swing trade. And you can only really get that if you got in at the bottom on the hot bevy. That's the difference. It's not gonna bring you as good of profits later on. It could still work out to a nice green trade for you, a few 100%, but it's not 1,000% anymore. Alright, cool. A couple of requests. This is good. We'll look at two brand new ones and then summarize the others, and we're gonna call it a day. We had some awesome wins today, so I'm feeling like we already did have a pretty successful epic trading day. I'm very happy about that. It is the only day we're doing only once. You know I'm here every day, all day long, except for today. Only because I'm working on other content. Alright, I'll tell you, because you came back here hanging in there. I'm not gonna spoil it completely, but this is what's going on. I'm doing an interview. I have an interview on somebody else's show today. So it's more YouTube content coming your way. I just don't want to show you the details in case something goes wrong and it doesn't happen, whatever. But that's what's going on. Well, you can enjoy the video once it comes out. Hopefully tomorrow or something. But I don't have details for you yet. Hey, it's thanks to you, West Virginia. You deserve the credit there. You know what's going on. Fatality. Haven't heard that one in a while. Denwo for president. Yeah, it's a big week for the channel, so I mean, I was hoping that we wouldn't get disconnected today. We're gonna try and fix that this week. Got our new thumbnail. It's good stuff. I feel the hype. I feel like we're growing stronger and stronger again. We're not just floating in the middle of the salty ocean. That's great. People are winning trades. Not just bag holding, finding nice charts every day. We won't let it get too crowded, doggy, don't worry. If the ship starts getting crowded, we have our backups. We can do members only chat, we can do private Discord chat, it's all good. Figure it out. We're a long way from getting crowded. We used to have 400 people here watching every day. And we were talking about AMC every day. Now we have 100. So we're not even recovered our old viewers. They fell overboard. They're out of the market. They don't even trade anymore. They quit. RKLB, it is no good. I don't like it. I don't like anything about it. I don't like the indicators. Bearish as heck. Breakdown on the RSI. You need to see this bounce and come back up, which maybe it'll do, but that's a big what if. That's a big maybe. Otherwise, you're watching, if you really are curious about this trade, then you're watching this kind of pattern, something like this triangle, seeing where it goes, end of week, end of day. Otherwise, it's in trouble. I wouldn't even touch that thing. Wait, what the actual fuck, though? Wait a second, this says vector Wait a fucking second. RKLB, vector acquisition. Alright, chat, what's going on with that? That's not the ticker for vector. VAQC, vector acquisition. Ticker chat? Okay. Gotcha. Now it's all making more sense. So that's vector acquisition and is under a different ticker now. We have a chart for that. So it changed today. That's why this chart looks fucked. It's like, where's the chart? There's no chart. It is a one-day chart because it's a new ticker today, apparently. RKLB. Ah, maybe that stands for Rocket Labs, eh? That must stand for Rocket Labs, yeah. Okay, cool, I didn't realize that. So we have an old vector chart then. Oh, the panic button was nearly pressed, Komodo. Yeah, hold the phone, cause let's look at our other chart first. What the? This isn't gonna... Alright, they reset the chart, didn't it? Wait, what the fuck? This chart's not right. This is fucked. Chart's all fucked up here. Look at all the gaps. It didn't used to look like this. We might have to save that one for tomorrow. This isn't our chart. There used to be stuff back here. What? That's all that. Yeah, that's messed up. They must have changed the ticker and the chart changed with it, and we don't have the old chart anymore. I know it didn't used to look like that. It used to look like Ride. It looked a lot like Ride or Nickel or something, where it had it IPO'd back here on Vector and it was at a low, all-time low area. We have the all-time low area on it, but we don't see that old stuff going on anymore. We can't actually see the IPO back here anymore. We can't see the pump and dump anymore. It used to look more like this. Huh. Hornet, we're just trying to figure out what's the deal with this chart here, vector acquisition, because it's a different ticker now. Somebody was asking about Rocket Lab, right? RKLB. I was like, wait a second, that's vector acquisition. We have a chart for that, but we don't because the chart's fucked. They wiped the chart with that ticker change. There's only one day price action on this chart now. We don't seem to have our old charts anymore on it. Komodo said his lines are all off on it. Yeah, it doesn't look right at all. Interesting. So that's like good and bad and ugly all at the same time, honestly. Oh, hell yeah, Street Child. Made a quickie over there. Quick 4,000 on TKAT today. Congrats. Stacking them up, Mr. Trout. Oh, shots fired. Let's see if we can get some price history on Vector. Rocket Labs. No. Can I? What the fuck? These charts are whack. I hate these line charts are way too simplistic. This doesn't show the accuracy. It went higher than that. It went lower than that. But yeah, it's kind of, at least we do have some price history on this chart. So you can see back here, 2020, November, December 2020, it was $10. That's where it is today. We liked Vector for entries around 10, under 10. I remember talking about entries under 10, so yeah, it's actually trending up over 10 now. After that ticker change, it could be the hype cycle, the good news that we're waiting for on it, essentially. But this chart is just really screwed up, so I can't actually do much with this chart right here. If you like Rocket Labs, that's the idea. It was $10 2 years ago. It's $10 today. You're getting the same price a couple years ago. Before they do anything big. Hey Becky, what was that one that you were asking about earlier? Can you remind me? It's like GCII or something? You're trying to find some red? Yeah, that's the idea, Native. You're trying to get in Rocket Labs before they successfully blast off into space, quite literally. Before they actually launch their rockets up to space, you're trying to accumulate for long term. If you're bullish on space race companies, it's nice and early on RKLB, Rocket Lab, brand new ticker, brand new hype cycle. It would probably be worth taking a look at again tomorrow if somebody wants to ask tomorrow. Oh, gotcha, Hornet. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, crew's excited because we're doing Captain's gonna be a guest on an interview today on a different channel. So unfortunately, this is the one and only day that I can't be here with you guys all day long till it close. We're gonna end the show in 20 minutes. So people are excited to different flavor of content. They're excited for the growth, the crew. Crew's getting stronger and stronger every day, just like Bill Watson's portfolio. He's up 64% on TKAT today. Appreciate that. I'll let you all know how it goes tomorrow. Give you an update tomorrow. If it all went smooth, if it didn't. I just don't, guys. Here's how the captain's brain works. I don't even expect anything until it happens, okay? So that's how I trade too. I don't trade just like expecting, hoping for something. I want to see the proof first. Let's see the breakout first, then I'll make the trade, etc. So after it's all said and done, I'll let you know. Sounds like TKAT's still going because Corinne's up 81%. Holy cow. Congratulations, Corinne. Hey, didn't you say yesterday, if I remember correct, this was like your first big day trade? What a nice win for your first big day trade, 80% in one day. That gives me a lot of hope. That's why I'm so bullish on the crew. Crew's outperforming the markets significantly. Do you know how many people lost money today? You guys are smashing the green. It's real shit. Probably like 95% of everyone trying to make a trade today lost fucking money, and you guys are killing it. That's motivating. It's because we're buying undervalued assets. We're finding the cheap dips, the breakouts, the good picks for later on, for the future, not the ones that already played out. That reminds me of Tesla. Alright, I'm gonna finish with TKAT. Congratulations. Seriously, badass trade from the other day. Ton of people are riding it up. I don't think so. I'm trying to help you out with that right now, Corey. We're gonna talk about it. Maybe sell half? Well, someone did that this morning and they're talking about buying back in right now. Somebody sold half this morning and they already regret it. They're already trying to get back in. You sell half right here, you might be upset tomorrow if it's $15. If it goes up here tomorrow, that might not feel that good. I'm showing you the way. You're up 90%. I'm showing you the real deal. I'm holding it. If I'm not selling it, why would you? Sure, you can feel free, but my phone's off. I'm not selling this shit right now. I'm holding this for next week, for next month. Let me show you how to swing trade. If you're selling it right here, you're a day trader. You're looking for another win tomorrow. You're looking to enter something else tomorrow and get another pump tomorrow. Good luck with that. I'm hoping to ride this up green tomorrow without having to do a single thing about it. Instead of having to exit, find a whole brand new trade for tomorrow. You can probably feel pretty comfy just chilling on it for another few days at least, okay? This was a swing trade always. It never was a day trade, so why are you trying to day trade it? You're only selling it if you just made a ton of money. You just double your money in one day on a really large position. If you just made $10,000 on it today, sure, sell it, but like you're never gonna make it higher if that's the case. Now, so that's short-term day trade targets down there. So if you're a short-term day trader, that's what you're thinking. If you're not, then you shouldn't even be considering exiting there. You're just happy that you're up in the green quite a bit, sitting nice and pretty. You don't have to worry about it anymore. You're just nice and patient on this thing. You want to be conservative and reasonable, you're going for, yeah, for that $17 target essentially, which is nearly 300%. Continuing conservatively, your midterm swing target, $35-40 area, that's over 700%. Why would you sell it today for 50% when you're trying to get 750%? Made it very clear, right? I hope that makes sense. And then only the real diamond, only the real fucking beasts of traders are gonna be able to diamond hands it that whole way up. We are looking for a breakout over 50,000 on Bitcoin, yes, system. Yeah, Corrine, the others who are pumped, you're freaking out because you've never seen such quick profits like that. Captain knows the way. Don't doubt this chart. It's trying to do this. You just need to give it time.
Took a nap and woke up to pot. Wow.
Oh,
Thanks so much.
Yeah, shot my life away. Fucking go. You're doing the opposite of that lately. More like shot my life to riches. You're gonna have to change your name. Only Captain Denwo is gonna be able to hold this shit to those targets, guys. You're probably not gonna make it there. You're probably gonna end up paper handing it before then. Only experienced swing traders are gonna have the balls to hold it for those big targets. Just like I did on AMC. $12. So yeah, I wish I could stay all day and just watch us keep blasting off. Except 70%, but you know the plan. I'm telling you the plan now. I'm making it. This has been the biggest winning trade for 2 days.
Thank you for being here all day, every day, and walking us through this tough market.
Oh, hell yeah, Ben Hopewell. That's super cool of you. Thanks so much for the big sevens. Yeah, man. That means a lot. You all make it worth my time. I'm so pumped that you're winning. Crushing this TKAT. Imagine all the moon boys who sold for a loss down there when you entered. You deserve to get paid. Ben Hopewell to get paid. Shot my life away. Corrine. It's time to win. You're waiting for a nice win for 2 months, right? Got it. Don't exit your long too soon. Careful not to exit your long too soon. There's no reason to exit here. Look at this. It is just starting to pop this spot where it's trying to get up to this previous area. All my scribbles up here. That's your target for now. Not $12, $16, $17, $18, $20. That's your target for right now. Just for now. It could hit there end of day, power hour, and then you're trying to take some profits. But only if you're a day trader. Only if you're comfortable with what you made. You're not trying to exit your entire position down there. It only makes sense if you're scalping a little profits or you're just taking a little off the top after a big pump. You're not trying to exit your entire position. I think you might end up regretting it. I don't want to see a bunch of regrets in the chat of people like, oh, I sold TKAT at $11 and then next week it's fucking $40. Like, take the captain's lead on this one. You saw it. Alright, if you're doubting that, if you have any doubts about that, oh, hey, Casey Lou. Oh, yeah, remember you went on vacation? You've been having some internet troubles? Oh, shoot. That's rough timing, man. To give you a summary. We're summarizing right now, but, like, the best I can do is give you some off the top of my head. TKAT, swing trade. ANY, Sphere 3D, swing trade. Crypto, swing trades, all over the board. Dollar's still dipping, it's looking hot for the rest of the day. We have ICP, crypto, swing trade. These ones that are very low, very high targets later on. We have a ton of good swing trades, man. They essentially all are at this point. Ride, swing trade. That entry under 5, all of them. Basically where we're at right now, they're all very nice swing trades. You just might get lucky and hit the target faster than you think. Get ready to hold TKAT for a month, for 2 months, for 6 months, and you might be happy if it's up here by Friday. It might not take that long. That's where we're at with these. They're swing trades that are popping off so quickly that you don't even have to hold them that long most of the time. Yeah, YVR is one of those too. Liquid Media Group, that was looking nice, ready to go. Even Clover. Getting hot there. All these really. Casey Lou, we've been talking about it all every day. Oh, you can't even hear it. Fuck. You can only read comments. Sheesh. Sounds like he's way behind. I don't know. If anyone wants to list him out a couple or something. He's a good guy. He's been on vacation or whatnot. Sounds like he's missed a lot though. If you haven't been watching for like 2 weeks, you missed a lot. Now, interesting. Tina, hey Tina, why TKAT? She's going TKAT, why TKAT? The only reason TKAT, the hype cycle. We like TKAT for the crypto hype cycle. So there's your day trade target again, you know, it's some people, day traders are taking profits here, swing traders are holding it. Elgin forgot to buy Sphere 3D. Yeah, there's so many good choices. XL Fleet, swing trade. Fuck, what else? All of them. There's like 50 of them. HT, swing trade. There's only selective day trades. So why TKAT, Tina? Great question. Because we've been watching it come down here under $5. We started eyeing it. The targets were insane on TKAT. So we were getting hungry for a steamy hot beverage. We were getting thirsty for a double cappuccino down here. Now the other day, you must have missed it because we were checking it out. We weren't watching it that closely back here, just seeing if it was going to dip or not. It didn't dip. It bounced. Started trending up here, heading out of the falling wedge pattern. It triggered our breakout alert, broke out of the falling wedge, and then went straight up. So we weren't that excited about it until 2 days ago on Monday morning. Everything changed on it instantly in the matter of minutes. It turned from a long-term accumulation into a day trade, into a swing trade, just like that. We had to adapt our analysis in a matter of minutes there. So the cool part is people who bought the dip are already up a shit ton, so it's a swing trade accumulation that played out to be a day trade too. Turns out TKAT smashed such a high target right there, you could sell it today and be totally happy with that. Yeah, Elgin, there you go, man. He's up 200% on his TKAT. So if you're up a couple 100% on TKAT in one day, like, you should be happy with that either way. So day traders are taking profits there. Swing traders are going for gold, going for the big ones. That's why I'm not selling it there. I don't care about that 100%. I'm trying to get 5x, 10x out of TKAT. I'm going for this $35 area. 10x targets. That's the only reason we like it. It's not about the company. It's not about... You know, it's hilarious. Actually, as a matter of fact, I looked up the news on it. I happened to see some shit about it this morning. There's news articles talking about TKAT, okay? But they didn't have anything to say. It was so funny. There's all these news today and yesterday about TKAT. TKAT soars 40%. What you should know, they increased 60%. Why it happened? I was reading some of these. They have no idea. They don't back up that with shit. They don't know why it happened because they're not talking about the charts. There's no news about. There's nothing going on with TKAT. It's a technical breakout on the chart from oversold levels. It was just too attractive of an entry price. That's why it's going up. There's no news about it. Crypto's going down today. Crypto's sideways today. It's a technical breakout. That's why we like TKAT, because it respects the chart. It looks like AMC is pretty much tapped out for the day. I really don't expect it to go higher today, especially not at this point. Oops, we did it again. Call up Brittany. Brittany would be drooling over these profits. Yeah, man, we're going for 70 target, just like AMC. When we bought AMC at $5, $77 target. We bought TKAT, $5, 77 target. Makes sense now? Remember that AMC trade from $5 to $77? Well, here's TKAT, $5, $77 target. If you think that can't happen, I mean, that's exactly what AMC did few months ago. This is your next AMC, basically. This is our next AMC for the moment, alright? For some people, depending on when you got in and stuff. Don't even worry about the end of the day. Who cares what it does where it closes today? That's major green breakout the last 2 days straight. We could get a third one tomorrow. We could get 4 more days of green. It's pretty frequent. Well, let's say 3. That would put us at Friday on Monday morning. It's pretty frequent to get 7 days of green in a row. Okay, it's a magic number. You already know why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We might get 3 more green days on TKAT before it even really comes down. Let's look at the indicators real quick, and then we're done with TKAT. Indicators are fucking exploding. You want to see some bullish indicators? You guys want to know what a bullish breakout MACD looks like? This right here, that's what it looks like on the daily. Look where it came from. It's bottomed out. It's going up. How more clear can it be? We're just waiting for that. Guys, look at this shit. Don't you dare. Don't you even dare think about selling TKAT until this weekly MACD goes green. You better hold it till that goes green, at least. It's only just getting started down here. We got multiple weeks of uptrend ahead according to this MACD. You're trying to hold TKAT for weeks, for months. It does not make sense to sell it today right here. $10 double sevens. That's that. TKAT. We'll see it. We'll check it tomorrow. Can't wait to see tomorrow. Congratulations. Badass. We got other banger trades going on. CVM's above 10. I was saying all day. CVM holds above $10. It's in great shape here. It is indeed still over 10. Maybe one last stop hunt under 10, we don't know, but that's totally fine. Just holding around $10 area CVM. You like this song, Tomo? It's called Space Rebels. Space Rebels. Man, are we stock pirates or are we space rebels? Hey, cheers on it. Hell yeah, dude. I'm happy you're crushing it today. You've been real helpful for other crew. I was staying on topic, looking for the next chart.
If you're making money while being here, share some with the captain. His time is our money, dollar bills face.
If they're not making money, they're not here right now. I just appreciate the support. Never expected, always appreciated. That's the shit that really gets me pumped, really gets me motivated. I wouldn't be able to crush it so hard if without knowing that you're following along. White Hornet said. Cheers, easy, bro. I bet you're killing it on TKAT today. Like, I already know you guys are without even having to ask.
What Hornet said.
Cheers to the Batman. Yeah, we're wrapping it up. Summary. That's awesome. You see. Oh geez, they're having payday. Let's go. Really, Becky? You have some Activision Blizzard puts. It's worth saying again here, this is a bigger, higher level concept, like on Activision Blizzard. Oh, hell, if those are green, Becky, just give it some time. This chart's terrible. If your puts on this chart on Activision are going wrong, stay calm, hold strong on your bearish puts. This thing is essentially going to the ground. At this rate, this is a terrible downturn, really brutal. Here's a bear target for you. You're looking at this 236 Fibonacci. Sound familiar? It should, because that's where all our other charts dip to.
Riding the wave and riding it. Thank you, Denwo and crew.
Oh yeah, Korean with the sevens. See, I'm pumped that you're getting a sick day trade right now, Corey. I mean, it's a swing trade, right? We're talking a swing trade, but I don't think Koreans ever made 100% in one day like that. It's fucking amazing. Look at all the progress, Korean. You've been here for months and months. Now you're doubling your money in one day. That's wow. I'm impressed. Yeah, confirmations. Never had that big of a win in such a short trade. Absolutely badass. I can't wait to see it tomorrow if it keeps going. Stay calm, hold strong. I mean it. Follow the captain's lead on this one. I'm trading it with you guys, so just like AMC. I'll tell you when I'm taking profits on it. You'll know. Not here. Not now.
Returning with some treasure from the
Yo, Mr. Shirty Boy, my man. What a surprise. That's so funny. I was thinking about you earlier. I'm not joking. I wouldn't lie like that. I don't make shit up. Literally this morning, I think it was when I was making my coffee, I was like, I haven't seen Mr. Georgie Boy in a while. I hope he's doing well. That fucking proves it. Hell yeah. What was I worried? Why was I worried for Mr. Georgie Boy just kicking the Marky's ass? You're amazing. We got the best audience on the fucking internet. You know I mean that.
Serious question. I could sell my GME today, break even, and could buy 2 TSA. What do you think?
Interesting. Thanks, Elgin, man. Elgin's making a lot of progress as well. I've noticed. That's an interesting way to phrase it, bro. One GME share versus 2 Tesla shares. Personally, the 2 Tesla shares get me going more, get me more excited. Hey, Dead Popper, apologies Twitch viewers right now. I don't have the other chat going. I see it, but it's hard to keep up with it as frequently or at the moment because we had that disconnect earlier. I see Dead Popper, welcome. We're just crushing some trades. We're gonna summarize things now, or else I'll be here all day. Before we know it, I'll be here all day, so I better start wrapping things up. Thanks so much for the support, everyone. That was awesome. I know it's working. I know we're winning. There's proof is in the pudding. It is good stuff. We're hoping for a new flood of money into the markets. August, we got it. We're getting it. Winds are picking up pace, spoiling in our sales. Fuck it, I'm so pumped I can't even chart anymore. We're gonna call it bigger concepts, even any charts. Forget whatever one single chart you're looking at right now. There's are bigger lessons worth thinking over. I have to, Casey. I don't want to. It's the one and only day. I have an interview about AMC. I'm scheduled to go do an interview about AMC. So, wish me luck. I'll let you know what's the deal tomorrow. Yeah, Vitaly, it's twitch.tv/Denwo Trading. Hopefully we can get those tech issues sorted soon. Apologies about the annoyance here today. Congratulations everyone crushing those trades today. I can't wait to see where they're at tomorrow. Arrgh! I'm feeling the love! What are you doing to me, crew? Thanks so much. We got the best audience. Onwards and upwards, a cruise getting stronger and stronger every day. Happy trading, my friends. Take care. Pick it right back up pre-market tomorrow. Hope to see you there. Yeah, feel free to continue the party on Discord. Party doesn't stop when the show's over. If the crew wants to pop on voice chat, I mean, I may pop in, but I'll be doing stuff in the meantime. Get ready. KC, TKAT is now a long-term entry. Somebody was asking about the TKAT dips under 7. Is that not gonna happen? It already happened. You missed it. It was this morning. It dipped under 7. It did actually happen already. So I don't think it's gonna happen again. Let's see if it's showing above $10 tomorrow. Psychological TKAT. That would be sweet. I'm planning to hold it another month or whatever. Few months. I'm in no rush to get rid of that TKAT hold. Yeah, keep the trading going, guys. Good luck. Happy trading. Be careful though. Oh, word, Vitaly, you bought the tip this morning. I see. Very cool. No, I don't think you're gonna get it that low again. I think it's going up from here, generally speaking. I'll let you know the details about that video, the interview tomorrow. It may or may not be on my channel. I don't know yet. I don't have details for you. I'll let you know in the morning. We're just trying to record it tonight, this afternoon. Gotta go get some food, rest my voice, prepare for that. Or else I'd love to stay even longer. Just today. Just this once. Thanks, Mr. Nimbus. Glad you had a good day. Yeah, I'll get a link for you on the video when I can. You did it, Elgin? Okay, cool. I was gonna answer your question more in detail. I got choked up. Sorry, bro. I'm still here. I like the idea of a Tesla share more than 2 GameStop shares. And then you just forget about it. Don't worry what Tesla does after that. It's not a big enough trade to fuck around with it. Just trading one share back and forth. Just hold that thing for 10 years. If you really like Tesla, look for your next trade. You're trying to figure out, what are you comfortable with holding for next year? Are you gonna be cool with your GameStop if you're all in GameStop next year? Are you gonna be happy holding some TKAT next year? Do you want to ride the AMC hype next year? I mean, there's so many choices. Are you bullish on crypto? That's what you want to be figuring out. Tally. Denwo said, I like the stock in the next second, 25% up. Oh yeah. I'm trying to only show you the good ones right now. Make it as easy as possible for everyone to succeed. No matter what kind of trader you are, no matter what kind of experience you have. Yeah, well, Elgin Carp, if you're looking to trade GameStop, just wait, give it time, and maybe you'll get a nice entry one day, and that's where you'll enter. You don't want to just enter it willy-nilly. Swing traders are only going to care about AMC and GameStop if they go down. I only care about it if it dips and we get a new entry. Till then, the trade's over in my mind. Hey, we got a brand new member. Oh, it's no. I had to pop back for a second. Cool, welcome aboard, No. Great to have you. Yeah, the hype in the chat is great today. Let's keep it going. Crew's going stronger and stronger every day. we parted lands months ago. We're in the middle of the ocean. Cruising through the storm. We're making it through the storm. I noticed there's no disconnect. Technical issues. So we'll give Twitch another try again tomorrow. Thanks everyone. Hey Kelly! Let's go! Oh man, I was just about to end it. Welcome aboard, Kelly. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Take care. Have an awesome day.